Hey everyone, it's Tourmaline, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Gel Appeal Deluxe kit. I'm going to be doing a lot of silicone videos, so it only seemed appropriate to try out this prepackaged one too. You can make furniture. You can make jewelry, and I think that's about it with this, and charms. But I'm excited too for the molds that come with it. I think I'll be able to use for other silicone applications. So let's take a look what's inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really liked this kit. Yeah, the supplies, I feel like the templates, the molds, you can keep using over and over again. I made a ton of stuff in this video and I still have a good bit of gel left. And really, even once you're out of that, you could use just like regular GE silicone that you dye with some paint. You can buy refill kits, actual gel peel refill kits, or you could use really anything else made for like piping cream projects. With the molds, you could probably even use like polymer air dry clay. So it's a really versatile kit that, while it was $30, I feel like if you think you will use these things over and over again, it's worth it. I still have a few things drying, so I'll include some reveal shots at the end so you can see everything I made, and then some sort of pose shots like I normally do. While it's a little messy, it made some pretty cute things. This one here, I don't know if you can tell, there's a little glob in the middle that just didn't fully dry while it was in the mold. Made this one kind of into a keychain of sorts. I don't know what I'll do with these little things, but I think when doing like decorating phone cases and stuff, I can probably put some of this in there, especially because this is silicone. Decadent is typically with silicone, so they'll fuse together really well. Oh, bracelet. And then I have all the stuff that's still drying, so you'll see that in a shot in a minute. It's actually really easy cleanup. You saw a little bit of that. And while you do get some on your fingers, it actually peels off really easily. Silicone typically has a really strong smell. This does have a little bit of a chemical smell, but also kind of a sweet scent. Like, they've definitely put some additive in it to make it smell better, and I actually kind of liked the smell. It's not hard to pipe at all. You might have seen me struggling with it a little bit, but that was just after, you know, if like my hand would cramp up or something. It wasn't the fault of the gel itself. That was actually really easy to pipe. So yeah, I'm happy with this kit. They have some other varieties. I'll put some links in the description below, and let me know what you thought. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.